If you have a student who's in 4th to 6th grade and is in his or her school, they are probably going to be attending a sex education talk that is sponsored by their school. Usually that comes about in the spring. I want to encourage you to go to the school, and they'll be very happy to do this for you, I'm sure, and let you see exactly what your child is going to be learning. Understand the level they're teaching them at, who's going to be teaching them, and what is the content. You know, there's a lot of controversy right now about sex education in the schools. And I think that the real problem is that we need to get back to the basics on this topic. The first thing we need to do is make sure these kids understand their own body, what's changing in their body, how it's all working before we try to take them to more advanced topics like conception, birth control, STDs, and some of the other topics that the schools are offering. The foundation is important. It's important for them to feel confident, to know the terms, the structures, and what they do. It has been my mission from the beginning of Anatomy for Kids to provide you, the parents, with resources that are accurate, you can trust, and that are age appropriate. I have books for all the age groups. If your child is 8 to 9 years old, there's a book for them. If they're a little further along in puberty and hormones are having a big impact on their reproductive system, I have a book for them. The books are divided into boys and girls. Great opportunities for great discussions between parents and kids. And if the kids just want to read them on their own, they are written at a level that the kids can understand. So I feel impassioned about this. I really want to see our kids understand their own bodies and how they work before we try to give them more advanced information. So I want to encourage you as the parent to get out ahead of the sex education talks that are going to be taking place. Know what's going to be taught, teach it at home. Give your child a solid foundation of knowledge so that when they go into this talk, they're going to be confident. They're going to probably know more than the other kids in the talk, and they'll actually learn something in the process of being there. This is Dr. Menton with Anatomy for Kids.